Good evening, children. In the previous class, we have seen exercise number 1.1, sum number 1 and 2. Now, we are jumping little bit to sum number 9 because sum number 3, 4 up to 8 are much easier, but this is more important. At the same time, this is the topic you must know, right? Right. Now, you are going to compare the rational numbers. See, you know very well that any number of the form p by q, that is fractional number, is nothing but rational number. That is the p and q, that is the numerator and denominator, can be either a positive or a negative integer. It's not necessary that you should be only positive. It's not necessary that you should be negative. It can be either positive or it can be negative. So these two are definitely rational numbers. So you are asked to compare the following rational numbers. What do you mean by comparing the rational numbers? You are asked to find which number is greater, which number is smaller. That is nothing but comparison. If I give you two numbers, 5 and 3, you can very well say 5 is greater than 3. They are natural numbers. It's very easy to compare. And if I give you two integers, say for example 1 and minus 5, you will very well say 1 is greater than minus 5. Negative numbers are always smaller than the positive numbers, isn't it? Therefore, it's very easy to compare the natural numbers or integers, but rational numbers, it's not like that. We have to work out a little bit to find out which is greater and which is smaller. Let's see how. See, two numbers are given, minus 1 by 11 by 5 and minus 21 by 8. If the sign, if one is positive and another one is negative, you can directly write the positive as a greater number. But here we can't do like this because both the numbers are negative numbers. And also you can see the denominators are not same. If the denominators are same, we can easily confirm which is bigger and which is smaller. But if the denominators are different, you cannot say like that. First we have to equalize the denominator. How to equalize the denominator? See, first take down the denominators alone, 5 and 8. You know this type of division. Find out the LCM. So 5, this is 1 time, 8 time, again in 2 table, 1, 4, again in 2 table, 1, 2, 2 table, 1, 1. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. So now what you have to do? Minus 11 by 5 equal to, you put minus 40 like this, and minus 21 by 8 equal to, you can put minus 40. You can put either in the numerator or in the denominator. The negative is going to be the same. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to multiply this 5 8 times to get 40. The same number has to be multiplied here. Minus 11 into 8 is going to be minus 88. Clear? So minus 5 into 8 is 40 and minus 11 into 8 is minus 88. And here you have to multiply this 8 with 5. 5 8s are 40 and 21 into 5. What is 21 into 5? It is going to be 110. Isn't it or not? Now you can see that the denominators are equal. If the denominators are equal, you can easily compare the numerators. So according to these two numbers, minus 88, minus 110, which is greater? Minus 88 is greater, definitely not minus 110. Because as you know, in negative numbers, if the number increases, the value gets decreased. So minus 88 persa illa minus 110 persa nu keta kandipa minus 88 dhaan perusu, 110 perusu kedaiyadhu chinnadhu dhaan. So here minus 88 by 40 is greater than minus 110 by 40. So minus 88 is minus 11 by 5. This is greater than minus 21 by 8. Clear? So this is how we compare the two rational numbers, right? What is the first step? You have to equalize the denominator. If the denominators are equal, you can compare the numerator. Now let us see one more sum in this model. Second sum. Three by minus 4, comma, minus 1 by 2. 3 by minus 4 and minus 1 by 2. Now once again, if you get denominator either, if you get the negative side either in the denominator or in the numerator, it's going to be same. So minus 3 by 4 can be, 3 by minus 4 can be written as minus 3 by 4, minus 1 by 2 you can write as it is. Now we are going to compare the denominators, take LCM for those things. 4 and 2. Take it in 2 table, 2 times, 1 times. Again in 2 table, 1 time, 1 time. 2 2s are 4 is the LCM. What is the LCM here? 4. 4 should be the LCM. We can put 4 here, put minus. Put 4 here, put minus. 4, you have to multiply 1 time. And here also 3, you can multiply 1 time. It's minus 3. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are minus 2. Now look at the numerators, minus 2, minus 3. Which is greater? Minus 2 is greater, minus 3 is smaller. Right? So how you can write? Minus 2 by 4 is greater than minus 3 by 4. Minus 2 தான் பெருசு, minus 3 சின்னது. ஏன்னா நெகட்டிவ்ல நம்பர் அதிகமானா அதோட வேல்யூ குறையும். minus 2 by 4 is greater than minus 3 by 4. So minus 2 by 4 ன்றது என்ன? minus 1 by 2 பாருங்க. minus 1 by 2 is greater than minus 3 by 4. So this should be the answer. This is how we compare these two rational numbers. Right? I'll give you one sum as homework. You can do that sum as homework. Now, arrange the rational numbers in ascending and descending order. You are asked to arrange the numbers. Arrange the rational numbers in ascending order and descending order. You have to arrange in both the orders. The first one, minus 5 by 12, minus 11 by 8, minus 15 by 24, minus 7 by minus 9, and 12 by 36. Okay, you have got 5 different numbers, out of which 4 numbers are negative and 1 number is positive. So you can see all the denominators are different. You need to first what? Equalize the denominators. So how will you equalize the denominators? Take all the denominators once. 12, 8, 24, 9 and 36. Take it in 2 table. 6 times, 4 times, 12 times. You can't do this, isn't it? So just leave it. Write this 9 as it is, and this one is what? 18 times. Now you can take it in 3 table. If you do so, you will be getting 2 times. 4 you can write as it is. This you can write 4 times. This is 3 times. This is 6 times. Now take it in 2 table once again. 1 time, 2 time, 2 time, 3 times, 3 times. Once again take it in 2 table. 1 time, 1 time, 1 time, 3 and 3. Once again take it in 3 table. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. As you can see, these multiplication of this will be the answer. So 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 3. 24 into 3 is what? 72. 72. Therefore, LCM equal to 72. This is going to be the LCM. So all the denominators are going to be 72 now. So minus 5 by 12 equals 72. Minus 11 by 8 equals 72. Minus 15 by 24 equals 72. The next one, minus 7 by minus 9. See, minus by minus, minus and minus gets cancelled here. Just 7 by 9. 7 by 9 equals 72. And the last one, 12 by 36 equals 72. As you can see, you have got negative signs here, so you can put negative, negative, negative. Here you don't have negative signs, isn't it? Here the negative and negative got cancelled. So both these terms are positive terms. Come here. So 12, how many times you have to multiply? 6 times. 12 into 6 will be what? 72. So in the same thing you have to multiply in the numerator also. 5 6 are 30. It's minus 30. 8 into how many times? 72. You can take 9 times. 9 8s are 72. Isn't it or not? The same thing you have to multiply it here. Minus 11 into 9 will be minus 99. 24 into 3 times will be 72. And 15 into 3 times will be minus 45. And over here, 9 8s are 72. 7 8s are 56. And here, 36 into 2 is 72. 12 into 2 will be 24. So now you have got the denominators as same. 72, 72, 72, 72, 72. Now we have to arrange it in the ascending order as well as in the descending order. Let's see how. First it is ascending order. Where is the number? Which is the ascending order in the sense you have to take the very least number first. Very least number goes for the highest negative value. So this minus 99 by 72. Minus 99 by 72 what number is? Minus 11 by 8 and the number first is minus 11 by 8. Next, minus 99 minus 45. This number is minus 15 by 24. Minus 15 by 24. This number highest number is minus 30. Minus value, this value, this value. Minus 30 by 72. Minus 30 by 72 what value is? Minus 5 by 12. Okay. Now positive. Positive la 56 persa 24 persa 24 வந்து சின்ன நம்பர் அப்ப அதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரணும் அப்புறம் தான் 56 வரணும் இப்போ 24 க்கு இங்க என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு 12 by 36 இருக்கு அப்ப அத போட்டுக்கோங்க 12 by 36 அடுத்து ஃபைனலா you can write 7 by 9 if it is descending order what you can do you can write everything in reverse 7 by 9 12 by 36 minus 5 by 12 minus 15 by 24 and minus 11 by 8. Clear? So this is how we arrange the numbers in ascending order as well as in the descending order. It's an important 5 mark sum. I'll give you one sum as homework in this sum also. Do it.